Hey, Ivy here. Today, we're diving into how you can use AI to create a simple plan for a successful reading habit. Whether you're aiming to read more or just want to enjoy your reading time better, AI can help you set goals, track your progress, and discover new books tailored to your interests. It's a great way to make reading a consistent part of your routine. Let's break it down step by step. First, think about what you want to achieve with your reading habit. Do you want to finish a certain number of books each month? Or maybe you want to explore new genres. AI can help you by suggesting books that match your interests and reading level. There are apps and platforms that recommend books based on what you've enjoyed in the past. Next, set a reading schedule. AI tools can remind you to read at your chosen times, making it easier to stick to your plan. You can set daily or weekly reading goals, and these tools will nudge you to keep going. They can even track how much time you spend reading, giving you insights into your habits. This feedback can be motivating and help you adjust your goals as needed. Another great feature is the ability to join online book communities. Some AI platforms connect you with other readers who share your interests. You can discuss books, share recommendations, and even join virtual book clubs. This social aspect can make reading more enjoyable and keep you engaged. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your achievements. AI can track your progress and remind you of how far you've come. Whether it's finishing a book or reaching a reading milestone, acknowledging your efforts can boost your motivation. So give these AI tools a try and watch your reading habit flourish. Tune in tomorrow for another exciting AI tip that will enhance your daily life.